my day using an app called Timo. Timo is a great visual timer tool that helps you stay on track throughout the day. All you need is some simple steps. First, choose the time period for each section, morning, afternoon, and evening. Then, choose the task you would like to complete during that section. You can use the ones that are already there or create a new one. For me, I'm going to create one myself. Choose the image you want to use and write your task. Then add your task to the list. By pressing the clock icon, you can set the time up to 60 minutes. You can also drag your tasks in order. Then we're ready to go. I started my day with brushing my teeth. Press I did it after finishing each task and you will get stars as a reward. I quickly washed my face and finished my morning taking a shower. Then I took my morning classes before lunch. It's finally lunchtime now. Today I'm going to make Caesar salad, which I really like. I washed and chopped my romaine, used some string cheese, and finished with the dressing. After having lunch and my afternoon classes, I went to school to bring some books. The weather was so good today. I hurried up not to be late for my next task, tutoring. After tutoring my student, I attended my internship meeting. After all my meetings for today, I finished my day doing some self-study. Lastly, with all the stars I collected today, Timo lets me buy accessories that I can use to customize my character. Today, I decided to buy these cute pink pajamas. I hope you enjoyed my day. Thank you for watching.